A former Navy SEAL is accused of using the bond that he formed with fellow SEALs to scam them out of their savings. Today, Jason Mullaney was ordered to stand trial, and 10 News reporter Bob Lawrence shows the trick that prosecutors say he used to make more than $1 million.
To become one of America's elite war fighters, you must first get through this, a grueling test of physical and mental endurance known as BUDS training in Coronado. Jason Mullaney did just that, and having earned the right to wear the trident according to a still active SEAL, whose identity we were asked to conceal, meant a lifelong bond.
Pretty much a given that, I'd protect him with my life and he would protect my life with his life.
But that bond was broken, according to prosecutor Hector Jimenez, when Mullaney pitched investment opportunities to 11 active duty and retired SEALs.
They were investing in his hard money lending business, expecting that he would be loaning out their proceeds.
Mullaney promised a hefty return on the investments, saying the money he was loaning out was secured by houses and cars. Testimony by one investor revealed that one former SEAL went to Mullaney's house demanding his money back. When Mullaney said he didn't have it, he offered him a gun as a token payment instead. A state franchise tax investigator said Mullaney pocketed more than $1 million by underreporting income. $40,000 in 2007, more than $445,000 in 2008, and close to $54,000 in 2009.
How much of that trust was based on the fact that he was a SEAL?
95% of it.
Mullaney, who lived in a lavish penthouse and owned a number of luxury cars, was bound over for trial on 30 of 32 counts and will be arraigned December 10th. Bob Lawrence, 10 News.
If convicted on all counts, Mullaney faces a possible sentence of more than 30 years in prison.